Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online English language classes. In class this morning we somehow ended up talking about religion. We were discussing whether or not we were religious and to what degree, what kind of religious beliefs each of us held or didn't hold in my case. And we were also discussing whether or not we'd had any kind of religious upbringing, friends of ours who were religious and so on. And one of my students mentioned an old school friend of his who has always been really into yoga. And apparently for years and years she'd been flirting with various Eastern religions. She'd been cherry picking the bits she liked best from Buddhism and Hinduism and Taoism and this kind of thing. But recently she's gone the whole hog and finally converted to Buddhism. And now she's moved into a Buddhist monastery where she's a practicing Buddhist. If you go the whole hog, you decide to do something completely, often after a period of not doing it as completely as you could. So you might say, for example, we only planned to have starters, but the starters were so delicious that in the end we went the whole hog and had a full 5-course meal. Or maybe you go to a bar and you have a couple of shots of vodka and then the vodka goes to your head and you say, let's just go the whole hog and order the bottle. Maybe your town or your city introduces a congestion charge so that cars going into the centre of the city have to pay to drive in the city centre. This is sometimes done, as it was in London, in an attempt to reduce traffic in the city centre. The city might then decide to go the whole hog and make the entire city centre traffic free. If you have enjoyed this video, please do share it with your friends, your colleagues, your students. Make sure you click the like button, the thumbs up sign. It helps us with the algorithm. And in the comment section below, we'd love to hear examples of people or things you know that have gone the whole hog